Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable conversion-focused pop-ups with OptiMonk, complete guide step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your OptiMonk account. If you don't have an account, visit the OptiMonk website and sign up for one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose the type of pop-up you want to create. You will see various templates. Select a template that suits your brand style. After selecting a template, customize the content. Add a compelling headline that captures attention. Incorporate persuasive copy to encourage users to take action. Include a clear call to action button. Edit the button text to convey urgency and value. Next, focus on the design elements. Adjust colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand identity. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Settings tab. Here, you can define when and how the pop-up appears. Choose triggering options based on user behavior. You can set triggers for exit intent, time on page, or scroll percentage. Adjust the display frequency to avoid overwhelming visitors. Now, move to the targeting section. Define your audience to ensure the pop-up reaches the right users. You can target specific pages, devices, or user behaviors. Next, set up your integration options. If you're collecting leads, connect your email marketing service. This allows for seamless data collection from the pop-up. After configuring all settings, preview your pop-up. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.